Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we are making this amazing apple salad. We're going to add a few more ingredients and we're going to turn it into a delicious parfait. Guys, today we are making a simple apple salad and I have already washed and diced my celery. This apple salad is so simple and delicious to put together, and it makes for a wonderful snack or just a quick little dessert because of what you add to it. I want to show you an easy and safe way to cut an apple. So we're going to cut the head of the apple off and we're going to lay it down flat. We're going to go ahead and cut it in half, and we're going to cut those halves in half. So we end up with 4. We're going to go ahead and remove the core from those and dice those up into bite-sized pieces. All of our ingredients have been prepped, and now it's time to put our salad together. So I'm measuring off some walnuts, and we're going to add those with our apples. We're also going to put some raisins in there, and that's going to give it an additional sweetness. So this can easily be a dessert. Go ahead and give your ingredients a good toss before adding your dressing. And the dressing we are using today is vanilla yogurt. So take the yogurt of your choice, and I like Yoplait. That's my yogurt of choice. And I'm going to add my Yoplait yogurt with my apples, raisins, and walnuts. And guess what? You can also add some grapes to this dish, and it will take it up another level. We're going to mix everything up well, and we are ready to taste and plate. Just that simple. Take a look at that. Guys, this is really refreshing. I really enjoy the crunch from the nuts, and the sweetness of the raisins and apples is a very nice balance. Very tasty. Now, if you do not like celery in this, you can definitely opt out of your celery. So now I'm going to go ahead and build my parfait, and I'm going to let you watch as I build my parfait.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
Now, topping everything off with honey is optional, but I absolutely love the nice balance that honey brings to my parfait. We're going to add a little bit more granola for that extra crunch.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
And voila, we are done. Take a look at that beautiful parfait. This is great served for breakfast, lunch, brunch, anytime, and even for a party. Guys, this is a delectable little treat. Sweet, crunchy. It is absolutely amazing. Now, if you don't like the celery in your apple salad, just omit the celery. And it's not going to change anything. But the celery does bring a different level of flavor to the apple salad. Either way, it's delicious. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope it has inspired you to make you an apple salad parfait. And with that being said, I'm going to see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Take care.